Chemistry 10th standard ICC board. We are doing identification of gases. Last time we did neutral gas, water vapor. Now we'll do hydrogen gas. What are the tests for the hydrogen gas? Let's discuss the physical properties of hydrogen gas. It is colorless, odorless and neutral to litmus. Means there is no change in the color of the litmus. First test for the hydrogen gas is when we take a burning wooden splinter in the hydrogen gas, it extinguished. How? Let's see. So from the video it is clear that burning wooden splinter extinguished in the hydrogen gas. Second test for the hydrogen gas is hydrogen gas burns with the pale blue flame. Let's see how. So both the tests for the hydrogen gas are clear for you. First is burning wooden splinter extinguished in hydrogen gas, and second is hydrogen gas burns with pale blue flame producing a pop sound. That pop sound you have seen in the first test. So don't be confused with that. So burning wooden splinter actually extinguished in the hydrogen gas with pop sound, and hydrogen gas burns with pale blue flame normally. So in the starting, in the neutral gas, first we did water vapor. When water vapor we did two tests. Anhydrous copper sulfate, which is a white color, when water vapor is added to this, it converts into blue copper sulfate, while blue copper chloride paper, when water vapor is added to this, it converts into pink cobalt chloride paper. Hydrogen gas, for test for the hydrogen gas, first is burning wooden splinter extinguished in hydrogen gas with pop sound. Second is hydrogen gas burns with pale blue flame. Now oxygen gas, which is also a neutral gas, it's odorless, colorless and neutral to litmus. Test for this is rekindle a glowing wooden splinter. Let's see how.
Keep in mind that the splint should be glowing, not lit. A glowing splint relights in the presence.
Now second test for the oxygen gas is when it is absorbed in the colorless pyrogallic solution, the solution turns brown. You can see here this is a pyrogallic solution which is colorless, transparent. You can see here. See, when we pass oxygen gas, it is turning brown. I'm finding it difficult to get the actual video, so I'm getting photos. So this is how it's turning brown when we add oxygen gas to the colorless pure pyrogallic solution. For the oxygen gas, we did two tests. First test is oxygen gas rekindles a glowing wooden splinter, but it's not burning. It rekindles a glowing wooden splinter. Second one is absorbed in colorless pyrogallic solution. This solution turns brown like this. So we are done with the neutral gases. Test for the neutral gases. One is water vapor, hydrogen gas, and third is oxygen gas. For water vapor, we did two tests. First test is white color anhydrous copper sulfate turns into blue copper sulfate when water vapor is added. Second one is blue cobalt chloride paper turns pink cobalt chloride paper. For hydrogen gas, first is burning wooden splinter extinguished in hydrogen gas with a pop sound, and hydrogen gas burns with pale blue flame. Third is oxygen gas. It rekindles a glowing wooden splinter and absorbed in colorless pyrogallic solution which turns brown color. Thank you. Have a good day.